Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to convert centimeters to feet and inches. So let's get started. In the first line we are creating a function using def keyword conversion and takes length in centimeter as input and converts it into feet and inches. Now in the next line in the conversion steps, first it calculates how many inches the given centimeter are by dividing the number of centimeter by 2.54, as 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeter. Now in the next line the program then calculates how many full feet are in that total number of inches. Since 1 foot equals 12 inches, it divides the 12 inches by 12 using floor division to ensure it gives only the whole number of feet. Now in the next line remaining inches, after calculating feet, the program calculates the leftover inches, which gives the remainder after dividing by 12 the number of inches in foots. Now the function then returns the number of feet and the remaining inches. Now in the next line, the user is prompted to enter a length in centimeter. Here, the next line, this line is calling a function named conversion with the argument cm, which is expected to be a value representing centimeter. The function conversion should return two values, feet and inches. These values are unpacked and stored in the variable feet and inches respectively. Feet will store the number of full feet and inches will store the remaining inches after converting the centimeter to feet. Now, in the last line, this line is using Python's f-string formatting to display the result in a readable format. Now, let's check this code. As I'm entering the length in centimeter, hence it gives that 125 centimeter is approximately 4 feet and 1.21 inches. Thanks for watching this video.